Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 movers cheap Fortuna local and long distance movers near me. Using our long distance movers, you get the services you need for a much simpler move. Choosing our team to help you means your cross-country move is going to go effortlessly. By using the best moving services to help you, any type of move, large or small, become a lot easier. Using us gives you access to each of the necessary moving services, including the following: packing and unpacking, supplying packing materials, and transparent pricing. Choosing a local California moving company might seem unnecessary at first. However, after a close look at the primary perks of working with a local moving company, you will likely find that it's well worth it. The time savings you get may make hiring a moving company one of the best choices you've made. Eliminating the heavy lifting also gives yet another benefit you get from working with the right local movers. Our crew of qualified movers will certainly make sure your move is very efficient. When moving with a local company like 3 Movers, you receive a more efficient approach for moving day. No matter how large your move is, we can get it done quick. In addition to local and long distance moving, our Fortuna moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.